My name is Brooke Pinto, and I am the Ward 2 Council Member on the DC Council, which includes this area that we are in right now for our DC local government.
Oh, I know, in the district council there is more women like that took over. And now, how do you feel about that?
I feel so excited. I think it's incredibly important to have a diversity of viewpoint, a diversity of life experiences on all of our governmental bodies. And the fact that we have a majority of women for the first time in a very long time in the DC Council is really exciting, and I can't wait to work with all of my colleagues going forward and in the years to come.
And do you think the transition is going to be easy, or it's going to be like kind of going to be a struggle for President Trump to pass the power to President Joe Biden very easily?
Well, the good news is that the transition is not up to President Trump. The American people have shown up and demonstrated that they have a new choice. It would be nice if President Trump operated in the same adult mindset that every other president in American history has. But if he doesn't, it's not up to him. The transition is coming, and it's really important that cooler minds prevail and everybody stays calm as we get through these next couple months and ensure that the transition is smooth.
And for those who vote for President Trump, what is your message for them, for anybody who's listening to you right now? What lesson they should learn from this experience?
My message is we are one country. We are one country, we are all Americans. Let's be proud of that. President-elect Joe Biden understands that. It's important to him to bring the country together. We do not need to be this divided. When people have difference of opinions, it's incredibly important to speak up, to share your viewpoint, to share your pain and why you feel you've been left behind or that you liked a policy that President Trump suggested. We are one country, and I'm very confident that President-elect Joe Biden will bring us back together as a country and lead that way.
What do you expect to see for the next years to come?
I expect to see compassion and care and someone who listens first before speaks first, someone who understands how important child care is and women's rights and equal pay and equal rights amendment, and the understanding that we are one country and one unit, and we need to operate that way. It's okay to have difference of opinions.
Do you think this pandemic affected choice for presidency and the ballots?
I think it had a great effect on the American people, absolutely. I think people who wanted to give President Trump a chance, a real opportunity to lead during the first 4 years, and saw that he wasn't able to. He wasn't able to successfully. He was too focused on his own ego and to keeping loyalty around him at the expense of the safety and health and well-being of the American people. And I think it was very clear, as we saw in this election, that people said, no more, we're sick and tired of that, and we want a real, thoughtful, caring, smart leader.